Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to sell things on AliExpress. I will need to use my browser, so open your preferred browsing system and you want to search sell.aliexpress.com, and then on this page you should see this. At the top you should see orange button, join AliExpress. And this is the page of AliExpress Global Seller Center. So here you can see registration form. So firstly select the country that you are registering from. Unfortunately, this list of countries is not so big, but I hope AliExpress in the nearest future will fix it. So select your country and then email address. Select right here email address that will be connected to your seller account of AliExpress, and then when you entered your email address you should tap this send button to receive verification code. When you receive it, enter it right here, and then in the very end you should set up password to your seller account. So come up with the idea of your password, enter it right here, and then repeat it once again right here. And then when everything looks fine and you are ready to submit this registration form, here you should see this register button. It should be blue, but mine is inactive, but press it. And now I will sign in to my account to show it to you how it looks like. This is it. So this is the page where you should submit and fill in all the enterprise, business and store information. Also, AliExpress will ask you to provide your store name, to give them description of what you plan to sell, and possibly identification or some business documents. And once all information is submitted, AliExpress will review your application form, and this usually takes up a few days. And if everything is approved and everything is okay, you will get an email confirmation, and then you can access your seller dashboard directly from your browser like I do now, or by downloading the AliExpress seller application to your phone, and then start selling things on AliExpress. So that's it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.